Government agencies work hard to deliver timely, quality service while meeting the highest levels of security and safety, and do it all within strict budgets. Geotab can help government agencies realize immediate ROI by uncovering cost-saving opportunities in any size fleet. Geotab software is packed with features that improve productivity, increase efficiency, and promote safety. The results? Decreased costs, fewer vehicle breakdowns, and less greenhouse gas emissions. Manage and monitor material usage, fleet health, and compliance of all your vehicles with Geotab's Public Works solution. Verify levels of service and maintenance standards are met while controlling costs. When every second counts, Live Active Tracking allows for seamless coordination of emergency services. Integration with emergency management and computer-aided dispatching services provides real-time information for quick responses to emerging needs. First responder fleets can also use IOX expansions to connect to light bars, sirens, gun rack, and more for unprecedented situational awareness. Every aspect of Geotab's solution is designed to optimize operations and right-size your fleet. Identify underused vehicles to determine which ones can be pooled or discarded. Maximize vehicle utilization and reduce total cost of ownership by implementing a free-floating car share motor pool solution. Engine computer integrations provide critical vehicle engine data, including fuel usage and fill-ups, engine faults and diagnostics, plus seatbelt, real odometer, and accurate idling, with the capability to integrate into other FMIS platforms. And create custom reports that automate time-consuming manual processes. When you choose Geotab, you can be confident in the knowledge that our fleet management program is backed by a reliable and secure product. Geotab security accreditations with FedRAMP and FIPS 140-2 certification show our commitment to the highest possible level of security review and certification to date. Federal, state, provincial, and local governments all over the world trust Geotab to manage their public service fleets. You should too. Visit geotab.com/government or email government@geotab.com for more information.